Fix Internet connectivity issues by resetting TCP and IP. Click the Windows Start icon. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click, Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type netsh when SOC reset and press Enter. Type netsh and IP reset and press Enter. Type ipconfig/release and press Enter. Type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Close the windows. Restart your PC.